Welcome back. I actually forgot that I had 2 more items, so it's going to be a 3-part. So this is part 2 of 3 of the unmoldings. So yeah, the reason I'm going to do these all together, you will find out once you see the pattern. I realized I didn't have any more of these trays as examples, because this is one of the trays, is it trinket dishes that we're doing for the classes. I love this red. Same thing with this, another one for the class that I love. This is so cute, so cute. Another one for the class that I'm like, hey, we don't have any on the table because they've all sold out, so another one. This is so sleek and clean. I love that double impression. Like, I did not do that on purpose. Again, like I said, it pulls when you pour, so the back looks like this. That's how the front looks. And the same thing with this, I didn't even notice it. Like, you see the double impression, like where it pulled. Yeah, I usually notice it on the back. Maybe I need to start paying attention. Ooh, okay, this vanity tray is giving me life. This vanity tray is giving me life. Yeah, here for it. This I didn't remember. This has on the sides. Yeah, I'm here for this. And see, I did this in 2 separate, well, all 3 of them I did them in separate pours, because if I did them all in one, I probably would have done it so that it came all the way up to the rim versus just halfway, or whatever variation that is. But I wanted it to be clean separation on the inside. I wanted the inside to be like a clean separation, so that it would, because like I said, it pulls, so the black would have melded with the pink or the white or the red when it pulled, and it had nothing to pull from, so it stayed red, stayed pink, stayed white, and then the inside probably would have altered itself also, and I didn't want that. I wanted clean separation, clean lines with that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go back to doing the clear layer first, because these have holes from where the gold rests. But I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I was trying something and I was like, you know what, let me try it without putting the clear layer of resin down first. But I am reminded why, and I will not make that mistake ever again, because even though it looks clean all around, the holes piss me off. Like, and that's usually my issue with most things. The holes, I can't. Anyways, we got these 3. I'm obsessed, which I've been saying a lot about my items, and it's not that I'm newly impressed. I've always been impressed. I'm just obsessed because the things that I want to do are coming to fruition, and it looks so fucking good. Like, I am so happy and proud of myself. Like, all the things clocked, 8, all of it, or whichever way. One of them is one of them. Y'all know I need to learn sign language. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the podcast, subscribe to the channel, listen to All Things Pointless. Tell your friend to tell a friend, if they're in Atlanta, they're visiting Atlanta, they want to come to a resin workshop, come pour with me. Anyways, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.